Hello guys, today I've got JBL Endurance Peak 4 and I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset on your headphones, we've got two ways of doing so. The first way is in the application called JBL Headphones. Here in the other section you can go to support and tap reset to factory setting. Here we need to tap reset to confirm our choices. The second way is that you need to at first take both earbuds out of the case and connect both earbuds to themselves. Like, you need to be sure that these are connected. Then you need to double tap on each and then hold 6 seconds your earbud. Then you need to put them back in the case. Of course, you need to do this on both earbuds, the left and the right ones, and then you'll be good to go. Bye.